Hearing these crazy loud clicks, I never thought I'd miss these. What is up, peeps? Welcome back to the studio for another Switch review. And this time we will head back down to memory lane when the Clicky Switches craze were literally everywhere. And what I have here today is Akko's first Clicky Switches. This is Akko Creamy Cyan Clicky Switches. For full disclosure, Akko has sent out these switches for me to review and do a sound test. But like all my other reviews, I will always give you guys my honest thoughts and opinion. So yeah, let's go get it. They are at a very cheap price range, actually a lot cheaper than most of Akko's switches. They are retailing at about $10 per 45 pieces, which is a steal. And if you head down to Akko's official website, Shopee, and Lazada stores, there's a good chance that they are on sale right now. As always, links in the description down below. Happy holidays. These are 5-pin Clicky switches and they have a polycarbonate top and bottom housing, 13.3mm palm stem, 14mm single stage spring with an actuation force of 50 grams and bottoming out at 57 grams. Pre-travel of 2mm and a total travel of 4mm. They also have a very light layer of factory lube. These Clicky switches has a tactile travel of 1.3mm and a total tactile force of 65 grams, maxing out at 72 grams. They have pretty heavy tactile actuations. I'd say they're about heavier than most of my tactile switches, but not too heavy to be leaning on the uncomfortable side. These switches also has LED diffusers that will surely make the underglow a lot brighter and softer looking for those underglow builds. I'm mounting this on Mongeek M1 V3 and pairing it up with these off-brand white on black cherry profile switches that are PBD and double shot. I'll give you guys a sound test and share with you what I think about it. They are great for typing, not so much in gaming though. And speaking with dozens of switches I have tried from Akko, this is a little subpar in terms of feel from Akko's switch lineup. They're nice to type with and I just miss those loud clicky clacks. Okay, so I'm talking in the perspective of only trying one Clicky switch. It's the Ultimo Blue, which I used for a good amount of time. It was my first and last Clicky switch and then I ditched them. This is definitely much better than those Ultimo Blues, so if you're looking for an upgrade from those and you want to retain those loud clicky sound, this is definitely a nice solid choice. But still, I got used to tactiles and linears now and I just love them so much. If you enjoyed this review, hitting that like button would mean a lot to me and it will also help with the algorithm reach the right audience. And also please do consider subscribing as I'm only 250 subs away from hitting that 1K sub. So yeah, please do consider it and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.